Aye, we give you the facts. It's not what you think. Popeye Newsling, Young King, 1 yard, bless.
Good morning, Popeyes. Grandma watch Popeyes every morning and every night.
Greetings, viewers and subscribers. Do you want to visit Canada on your vacation? Do you want to visit relatives in Canada? Do you want to work or study in Canada? Do you want to migrate to Canada? In this video, I'm going to be talking to Sydia Scott. She's a Canadian immigration consultant. Her number and email address will be posted throughout the video. Also, Sydia will be back, so if you have any question that you want us to ask her, when she's back on the program, we are going to be asking her the questions and have her answer them. If you have any question that you want to ask her, send us a WhatsApp message to 876-343-1034. That's 876-343-1034. Also, remember, hit on the love button. Hit on the thumbs up button. If you are over here and you have not yet subscribed, hit on the subscribe button. Now, listen to this. Okay, hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Could you please, you're Miss what? Sydia, is it Miss or Mrs.?
Yes. My name is Sydia Scott.
Yes.
I don't go with the formalities. I don't go with Miss or Mrs. I just go with MS.
With what? Okay, so Sydia is good then.
Yeah, Sydia is perfectly fine.
Okay.
I'm a licensed registered immigration consultant based in Canada. I process Canadian immigration papers.
Yes.
Anything immigration related. I focus mainly on student visas. People who want to come to Canada study, because through that way you can eventually get to the point of getting permanent residence.
Okay. But let's backtrack a bit. You're from Jamaica, right?
Yes, I was born in Westmoreland.
Yes.
Raised in Canada, so I've been away from Jamaica for a long time.
Okay.
I always come back to visit.
Uh-huh.
I'm in Jamaica right now. I'm always in Jamaica visiting. Spending quite a bit of time in Jamaica.
Okay. So how long you have been in the immigration consultancy business?
I've been licensed since for a couple of years now, but I've always been involved in immigration work of some sort.
Yes.
I have legal experience over 2 decades of legal experience, if not more.
Yes.
Working for the big law firms in downtown Toronto.
Are you a lawyer, or you just have?
I'm not a lawyer.
Okay.
I'm licensed immigration consultant, but before that I was a legal assistant, and then I do trademark law as a component of the stuff that I do.
Yes.
But the immigration has always been something that I've always been involved in, whether it be helping my own family get visas to come to visit, or immigration has always been something people sponsoring their husbands, their wives. Have always sort of been involved in immigration. Immigration is something that is a passion of mine.
Yes.
And I understand the plight of the immigrants, because my parents moved to Canada. My mom moved to Canada when I was young, and then eventually I immigrated to Canada, and other family members, and so on and so forth.
Okay.
Yeah, so I understand the plight of the immigrant.
Okay. So somebody, I'm in Jamaica, I want to, is it that if I want just a visa, or I want to go there, go study, or what do you do? Yes.
I do everything. If you want to come to Canada to visit, I do visitor's visa. If you want to come to Canada to study, I love my students. So I work hand in hand with them. They contact me. I figure out, they tell me what they want to do. Then I get them into a school.
Yes.
Then from there, we do after they get the acceptance, then we do the immigration process and get them through. But I don't. When I get my students in, I don't just get them in and let them go. If they need any help, or they have any questions all the way through, I'm there. From them, even if they arrive in Canada, they call me up, or they need help with something, that I find a place to live, or any kind of general questions. Okay. I'm there.
Okay.
So I hold their hand all the way through the process.
So what if I want to go to Canada to work? Do you do that?
If you, as an immigration consultant, I cannot find you work.
Okay.
That's not what immigration consulting does. But there's different work paths and there's different work processes.
Yes.
So if, for example, a person has a job, I can help you process the work permit.
Okay.
That way you can legally work in Canada. And there's different avenues, and then there is so many different vast areas and so many different ways to go to do that. There's so many different programs to look at.
Okay.
But yes, I do work permits, but I don't find people work.
So okay. So you look about the work permit, but you do not find the jobs for persons.
No,
Okay.
No, I do not find immigration consultants cannot find people work.
Okay.
Yes, it's against our regulations because I'm licensed and I'm registered and I'm monitored by the Canadian government.
Yes.
So I, as an immigration consultant, cannot find you work.
Okay.
But if you find work or if an employment agency find you work, then I can process your work permit.
So someone in Jamaica want to contact you. How do they go about doing it?
I have a website.
Yes.
BrexenImmigration.com.
Yes.
BREXEN immigration.com.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on this. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I also have the card that I sent you with my my telephone number. I'm available on WhatsApp.
Yes.
And and I communicate a lot with my clients via WhatsApp.
Yes.
I usually take the messages, or they can go right on my website and they can book an appointment to speak with me.
Mm-hmm.
And I speak with because some people think immigration is cookie cutter, and it's not like that. It's not one size fits all. Everybody's situation is different.
Yes.
You can have two people who see the situation seems very similar.
Yes.
But when you get down to the nitty-gritty of it, they're actually quite different, and the way you would approach that particular situation is totally different from person A to person B. But on the front of it, it looks similar, but it's not.
Yes. So if I'm in Jamaica and I want to do business with you in Canada, because everything would be done electronically, right?
Yes, everything is done electronically. People, just call me, then I have my email, people scan stuff up to me, because everything is done electronically.
Payment is done electronically as well?
Payment is done electronically. I have something set up where everything is done electronically.
Okay. Yeah.
Everything is done electronically. And I'm in Jamaica quite often as well.
Yeah.
So,
But you don't have any office in Jamaica though? Yeah.
No, I don't have I have a virtual office. Even the office that I have online is a virtual, like I will go there sometimes to pick some things up.
Yes.
But I come with my computers and I work remotely. All of my work is remote.
Persons are saying, is it hard to get a visa to go to Canada? Or it depends.
No, it all depends on the situation.
Yes.
Canada is more welcoming to visa applicants, like visitor visa applicants, than for say US. US is a little bit difficult. Mm-hmm. So if you need, so it doesn't matter of Canada is always about family. So sometimes people they're coming and they say, no, I don't want to bring my kids. No, apply with your kids. Apply with your husband. Apply with your wife.
Yes.
Just make sure that you have your assets. You need to have you need to show ties to your home country. So if you have your land, make sure your bank papers are straightened out and you can show so you have the assets. Make sure so you have a little bit of money in the bank. It doesn't have to be a lot.
Yes.
But you need to show that you have, like for example, if you're going to stay with your family, you need an invitation letter from your family. So yes, you're going to stay with them. But you also, even though if your family say they're going to make stay in the letter, they're going to cover everything, you need to have some money for yourself.
Yes.
As well. And so it's just about packaging things, looking at the whole picture.
Yes.
And seeing where each individual situation is, because as I said, everything might look the same. Yes. But when you really get down on the nitty-gritty, it's not.
Different, yes.
And it's very different. And one thing I've always told my clients, as your immigration consultant, don't lie to me.
Yes.
Because if you lie to me, I can't give you proper advice. Mm-hmm. And I cannot represent you properly because I'm only representing you on half truth, not the whole truth. Yes. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, definitely.
Yes, because I like for example, if you have applied for a U.S. visa, for example, because remember Canada and U.S. are tied. Everything is electronic. So anything happen in U.S., Canada, no voting. Anything happen in Canada, U.S. no voting.
Oh, okay.
So if I say to you, have you ever applied for a U.S. visa?
Yes.
And you tell me no. And then I go and I put in your visa for Canada, and they say, no, you haven't been, you have never applied for a U.S. visa. They will turn you down on that line.
Oh, so they're gonna find that out. That yes, you did apply. Oh.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yes, so it's better you say yes, I applied, and they turn me down.
Yes.
But
yes.
then they will turn you down based on the fact that you're lying that you never applied for a U.S. visa.
Okay, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. So if you do something, if you were in the United States and you did something, you got into some trouble, Canada is gonna find out if you're applying for a visa to go there.
In all likelihood.
Okay. Someone was telling me, you see, that they wanted to go to Canada, but the person who was gonna send them a letter or something like that has to show how much money is in their account, and then the person here would see what the person sent. Is that true?
They don't necessarily, because I've done visa applications, and I've never sent how much money the person who sent them the letter.
Okay.
And I never even have to show land or anything like that. All that person really, really needs is a letter that's saying, yes, I have a job, and I live here, and I'm going to accommodate that person in my home.
Okay.
Like, you don't necessarily, in certain circumstances, depending on the circumstances, then that person might have to show a job letter, or, that person would have to show a job letter.
Yes.
They don't necessarily have to show what's in their bank account and stuff like that. And if it's a situation where the person is not comfortable sending the information to the whomever they're helping directly, they can send it directly to me because it's confidential.
Yes.
And I wouldn't be able to show it to the other person.
Yes. All right. Understood. And it 24 hours. Your phone lines are open. The person can send you a WhatsApp number if they want to consult with you. Right?
Yes, they can. Yes, they can send me a WhatsApp message 24 hours.
Yes.
I won't respond because it's too late.
Yes.
I won't respond until the morning.
Yes.
But as I said, I'm totally mobile. I am constantly on the go. I travel with my computers.
Yes.
And my phone.
Yes.
So I'm reachable at any time.
Yes.
I'm in Jamaica quite often. So if something happened and I have to meet with a client face to face in Jamaica, then when I make sure that when I'm here, I meet with them and talk, and sometimes figure out exactly what's going on. Because sometimes there's certain things that people do not want to discuss on the phone. Mm-hmm. So I say, all right, then no problem. I'm in Jamaica this time. We'll come, we sit down and we discuss it, and we can formulate a plan based on your situation.
Okay, I think that's enough for today. We are definitely gonna follow up, and thanks for the call, and thanks for talking to me. And
thank you so much. I appreciate your time. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Bye bye.
Bye.
Blessed love, everybody.